Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a DIY. I know that Christmas is around the corner and this project is very dear to my heart. It has to do with if you've lost someone. I know it's difficult during the holidays. So what I'm going to be doing is making a Christmas in Heaven plaque. Okay, so what you're going to be needing for this project is a flat piece of board. I picked up these little boards from Hobby Lobby as well, and I just kind of cut them different lengths so I can stack them like so. And you're going to need some matte Mod Podge. These two little chairs, or one depending on how many you want on the actual plaque. Black paint, white paint, and red paint. Got these little pieces from the sticker section, and this one it's a mini wreath from the doll section. And that's where I got these as well. Also some gemstones, brushes. So you're gonna need stencils. I picked this one up, but for some reason I think the letters are gonna be a little too big. So what I did with my Cricut, I went ahead and did a stencil myself. I cut it all out. Also, I forgot you're gonna need E6000 or some type of glue to hold the boards together. So what you're gonna do first is paint the boards.
Sing glory to the newborn King.
Okay, so I'm gonna let those dry. Go ahead and paint these little chairs.
Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled, joyful only nations rise, join the triumph of the skies, with angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem.
So you just get the block that you painted, and what you're gonna do, and then what I'm gonna do is just trace it.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the new.
Once I'm done, then I'm just gonna go ahead and get some black marker, or I'm sorry, black marker. I guess you could use a black marker, but I'm gonna use the acrylic paint, and I'm just gonna slowly outline.
Hail the heaven-born Prince of Peace, hail the Son of Righteousness, light and life to all he brings, risen with healing in his wings, mild he lays his glory by.
Okay, so once that's done, you're gonna let them dry. Okay, so I'll let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do the detailing on the bottom.
Born that man no more than. They die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second birth. Hark the herald angels sing.
Go ahead and add some detail on these. A dab of glue right in the middle. Little
Glory to the newborn King.
grabbed the ribbon that I'm going to use, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is just put a little line of glue on top. Then I'm going to place the ribbon right on top of that.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild.
What I'm going to do is go ahead and just glue this piece on, and then the little chairs as well. So I'm going to turn this around, and I didn't put the ribbon at the bottom just because I want it to be very flush to the board, the main.
God and sinners reconciled, joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies, with angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels.
Okay, so I went ahead and put a couple of little baby nails at the bottom just to keep it secure. And then now what I'm gonna do is just place the chairs like so.
Angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Do a little bow. Okay, so here's the final product. I think it came out super cute. It says, Christmas in heaven, what do? They come down to earth to spend time with you. To save them a seat, just one empty chair. You may not see them, but they will be there. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any requests, comment down below. And just keep me informed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Hail the heaven-born Prince of Peace.